IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
When do you usually listen to music?
Band 5. Answer.
I usually listen to music when I am at home or when I travel somewhere. I like listening to pop music because it helps me relax. I listen to music almost every day.
Why is this a band 5?
Fluency and coherence, simple ideas with limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary is used repeatedly. Grammar, mostly simple sentence structures. Pronunciation, generally understandable but may have noticeable errors. Typical of a band 5. Short answers with limited detail and simple language.
Band 7.5. Answer.
I usually listen to music during my free time, especially when I'm driving or doing household chores. It helps me stay relaxed and makes routine activities more enjoyable. I also like listening to music while exercising because it keeps me motivated and focused.
Why is this a band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Ideas are well organized and supported with reasons. Lexical resource. Good range of vocabulary, such as routine activities, motivated, and focused. Grammar. Uses a variety of sentence structures accurately. Pronunciation. Generally clear with good control of stress and intonation. Typical of a band 7.5. Answers are detailed, natural, and include explanations.
Band 9. Answer.
I listen to music at various times throughout the day, depending on what I'm doing. For instance, I often play upbeat music while working out because it boosts my energy levels, whereas I prefer softer, more relaxing music in the evening to help me unwind after a busy day. Music is such an important part of my daily routine that it's rare for a day to pass without me listening to something.
Why is this a band 9?
Fluency and coherence. Exceptionally smooth and well-developed response. Lexical resource. Sophisticated and precise vocabulary, such as upbeat, boosts my energy levels, and unwind. Grammar. Wide range of structures used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation would typically feature excellent rhythm, stress, and intonation. Typical of a band 9. Fully developed ideas, natural language, and precise vocabulary used effortlessly.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.